Are we using the internet wisely? Or do we know how to use the internet? The single most powerful device right now, I would say, is mobile phone because it is available to everyone in the world. The rich, the poor, the student, the mom, the grandmom, the grandparents, everyone, even a child, has access to phones and most importantly, connection towards the internet. But the real question is, do we know how to use it? The number of searches made on how to, the words how to in the Google has reduced drastically. I don't know the numbers exactly, but I listened in a podcast saying that people stopped learning from the internet, rather start consuming. You don't need any brains to use the internet because it is feeding us on a daily basis. You don't need knowledge to see the shots. All that you'll have to do is swipe. But in order to learn, you need to go to that search bar and type how to record an audio or how to edit a video, how to do investing. Guys, we have this powerful device, but not many people are using it. Me and Sneha, we both were discussing about investing. Not many people know how to invest. We are not experts in this, okay? I'm not a money guru right now who's going to advise on how to invest and stuff, but we are investing. We're not just spending it on the next Apple or iPhone, or we're not buying random shits. A part of our money, whenever it comes into our account, it goes into buying stocks, saving it in gold, purchasing gold. And you know what? We had this interest towards, okay, we started receiving money and we have to know how to invest. And all that we did was, we just went into the YouTube and searched how to invest, and then popped thousands of videos, among that which we found our teachers. A simple like that, how to fix my phone or how to fix the computer, everything that you can search is available on the internet right now. But the question is, people don't want to do that. Whatever problem that you have in your life right now, I'm telling you that the solution is there in the internet if you know to search it. Whatever that you want to do. All that I'm giving to you right now is the power of questioning, not the power of obeying. Slavery was imposed to us years back because people stopped questioning. They rather became these slaves who could listen and obey. And right now, I would say people are obeying a lot. Obeying not to a master, but obeying to the internet. Feeding random content. Stop doing that. Put a limit in your phone. I wonder, these Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, and these great legendaries, if they were alive today, they would be using this internet in a totally different way. You could be earning 4 to 5 passive incomes right now through your particular skill that you have through internet. And if you say, I'm not able to do that because I don't have time, or the government is not allowing me, blah blah, no. You're lying to yourself. All that takes is that first step of asking the question, how to. I hope you will do that. Have a great day, guys. I'll meet you guys in the next podcast.